Excuse me, how much are the onions today?
They are 60 rupees a kilo.
That is a bit high. What about potatoes?
Potatoes are cheap, 40 rupees a kilo.
Okay, give me 2 kilos of potatoes and 1 kilo of onions.
Sure, anything else?
Brother, these tomatoes look a bit soft. Are they fresh?
Yes, they are fresh. I opened the box an hour ago.
Can I pick them myself? I want the hard ones.
No problem. Take the basket, pick the ones you like.
Thank you. I don't want any rotten ones.
Don't worry, my quality is always good.
How much for the spinach bunches?
One bunch is 30 rupees.
30? That is too expensive. I will give you 20.
20 is too low. I will lose money. Give me 25.
Okay, 25 is fair. Give me 2 bunches.
Done. 50 rupees total.
Please weigh this bag. How much is it?
It is exactly 1 kilogram. Look at the scale.
It looks a little less. Put 1 more potato in.
Sir, the scale is digital. It is correct, but okay, I will add a small one.
Thank you. Now I am happy.
Total is 250 rupees.
Put some fresh coriander in the bag for free.
Coriander is expensive today, but okay, just a little bit.
Here is 500 rupees. Do you have change?
Yes, here is your 250 back. Thank you.